Welcome back guys to our channel. If you are new to our channel, then press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for every latest updates. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to increase your internet speed of any SIM in low network area. So watch this video till the end. So guys, today I'll show you some setting in a mobile to increase your internet speed. This also dependent upon your only the by default setting. For this you don't have to install or download any files from the Play Store or from the Google Chrome to. You don't need any APK files. So you have to just follow some steps here in this video just done by me. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open a mobile setting. Open here. Now go to network internet connection setting. Now just click on the mobile network setting, and it's also go to the access point names. As you see here, I'm using the Geo SIM, so I'll be get the Geo's by default setting. Now you have to be, if you want to speed APN, then you have to be add a new one. So just click on the add button. In name you have to write Geo. Just follow me, otherwise you will be not, your internet access will be requested, will be cancelled. So just Geo 4G, just click on OK. Now APN also remain not set. Proxy also. Now guys, just in APN you have to write net, what NET. Okay, just follow me, or you will get this all the settings in the description box there. In proxy it's also be not set, port not be set, username not needed, so in password it's also not need, in server also it's all a blank, just change on. And the main point is guys, just don't try to change the MCC and MNC point because it's a local server area. So guys, in APN type also be not set. In APN type, in the APN type you have to be right default. Just click on OK. Now it shall be remain same. In bearer also be same. Now just click on save using this. Now if you want to test the speed of your internet, then go to the Play Store. Just simply you can download anything, or you will try to update. As you see here, I'm trying to update my YouTube, and just wait. It will soon start download. As you watch here guys, the speed will be from 20 to 380, 370. Watch this, 336, 258, 265. You will not get the speed from the by default setting of Geo. 400 to 443, 560, 700, 800. Guys, just watch this. This is super fast. 600, 200, 400. So guys, as you see here, now it starts installing. So thanks guys for watching our videos.